Here's Keyboards and Emojis app from Be Creative. It's one of the top keyboard and emojis apps out there. So to add a keyboard, after you upgrade it and you need to pay like, I don't know, $3.99 or something like that per week, you can go to app settings, you can tap keyboards, switch on keyboards and emojis, switch to allow full access. So just in the app, you can just tap app settings. Then you can just add new keyboard, and then here you will see this keyboard, third-party keyboards emoji. So something around that. Or otherwise, I think it can also open settings app. Yeah. So custom keyboard, keyboards and emojis. You can also do it from here. Or you can search custom. Yeah, so just go to settings and search for custom keyboard, for keyboards, and from here you should be able to enable that. Hope this is helpful.